Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 15th, 2024, and we're diving into Spectrum Brands' latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Spectrum Brands, a leader in consumer products and home essentials, has just released their fiscal 2024 fourth quarter and full year results. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Spectrum Brands reported net sales of $773.7 million for the fourth quarter, a 4.5% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in net sales was driven by higher volumes across all segments, particularly in global pet care and home and garden. The company also benefited from favorable weather conditions and improved retailer inventory health. Despite challenges, Spectrum Brands managed to increase their full-year net sales by 1.5% to $2.96 billion.
And how about profitability?
Net income for the fourth quarter was $12.8 million, while adjusted EBITDA came in at $68.9 million. The company faced higher operating expenses due to increased investments in marketing and new product development, but they still managed to maintain a solid profitability profile.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance of Spectrum Brands' key segments?
Absolutely. The global pet care segment saw a 3.5% increase in net sales, driven by higher volumes in companion animal products. Home and garden experienced a robust 7.7% growth thanks to favorable weather extending the lawn and garden season. Lastly, home and personal care grew by 4.1%, with strong promotional activities boosting sales.
It seems like each segment had its own set of challenges and opportunities.
Indeed, while there were increased brand-focused investments that impacted margins, the overall sales growth across segments is a positive indicator of the company's strategic initiatives paying off.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's talk about Spectrum Brands' financial health. How did they perform in terms of cash flow and shareholder returns?
The company generated $162.6 million in operating cash flow and $176.6 million in adjusted free cash flow for fiscal 2024. They returned $482.7 million to shareholders through share repurchases and increased their quarterly dividend by 12% to $0.47, reflecting a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
That's impressive. How does their balance sheet look?
Spectrum Brands ended the year with a net debt leverage of 0.56 adjusted EBITDA, indicating a strong balance sheet with substantial capacity for further share repurchases.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Spectrum Brands in fiscal 2025?
The company is targeting low single-digit net sales growth and mid to high single-digit adjusted EBITDA growth. They plan to continue investing in their brands, driving innovation, and improving operational efficiencies. Despite macroeconomic challenges, Spectrum Brands is focused on sustaining the momentum built in fiscal 2024.
It sounds like they have a clear strategy in place.
Yes, and with their strong balance sheet and operational improvements, they are well-positioned to navigate the challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities in the coming year.
EPS forecast and actual performance. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.13, but Spectrum Brands reported an adjusted EPS of 97 cents. What led to this miss?
The miss was primarily due to decreased adjusted EBITDA, which was impacted by lower investment income and increased brand-focused investments. However, the company did manage to offset some of these pressures with gross profit improvements and a decrease in interest expense.
So, while they missed the EPS forecast, there were still some positive aspects to consider.
Exactly. The company's strategic investments are expected to drive long-term growth, and their operational improvements are setting a strong foundation for future performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Spectrum Brands delivered solid sales growth and maintained a strong financial position despite missing the EPS forecast. Their strategic focus on brand investments and operational efficiencies positions them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Spectrum Brands is certainly a company to watch as they continue to execute their strategic initiatives.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Spectrum Brands' performance in the comments below.